Hi everyone. So this is a supplemental video just to talk some of you who missed class on Thursday through what we need to be doing and to remind some of you who were in class on Thursday about what needs to be done for this week. I haven't gotten a lot of the assignments from last week, the email assignments or the syllabus quiz assignments. Again, I don't, I'm not really worried about that in terms of the date. I'm just a little worried because if a lot of people aren't doing them, I feel like that maybe there's some confusion. I don't want everybody to get behind. So you still have time to make those up. Please make those up as soon as possible. For those of you who were not able to be in the online class on Thursday, one of the things I did was just talked everybody through how things are organized here on Blackboard, how I've done that. And so you can see over here on the left-hand side, these are the links that you're going to need. I've got the announcements. I've got contact information. So you can see there, you can always click on that. Sorry, it always takes a while for the computer. While I'm recording, it takes a while for the computer to actually load. It's thinking while it goes to the contact information. It's got the contact information here, so you can always see how to email me, how to call me. It says my office location's on Blackboard Collaborate, but I think I'm going to change that to Zoom because we were having some issues with Blackboard Collaborate. If you look under course documents, you'll always be able to find the syllabus there. And so if you have any questions about the syllabus, you can always look there in order to be able to see that. It then has a virtual classroom down here. Again, we had some issues with Blackboard Collaborate, so I think we're going to switch over to Zoom, so that won't be as useful for you there in all that time. Again, I clicked that button earlier, but it took a while for course documents to come up and show that the syllabus is there. Under discussion boards, all of the discussion boards that we have over the course of the semester will be available there. They will also be available in the folders for each week. So if you have to finish a discussion board for the week, it will be in there. There will be a link in there. But there's also this link here that has that will contain all of the discussion boards as well, just to let you know that they'll be in both locations. The main thing you want to know from this is that the Ask Me Anything discussion board is there in the discussion board link. And again, if you have any kinds of questions, I already have 3 posts in there, you can post them to the Ask Me Anything discussion board. That's if, any questions about anything. You can email me your questions, of course. You can call me during my office hours, but I also maintain this discussion board so that if you have any questions, you can always post them there. Then over here on the left-hand side, I've got all of the weeks set aside. So August 26th through 27th, that was our first week. There's just a couple of assignments in there. And then this week, August 30th through September 3rd, all the assignments there. Next week, the 6th through the 10th, the assignments that we have there. You can't see all of these things. I've got all of the other weeks here. I'm working on those, and as I get them set up, I'll open them. We're in a little bit of a crunch here at the beginning because I was setting up for my other class yesterday, but I'll get some of these taken care of so that you can potentially work ahead if you want to. So inside of each of the folders for the week, again, we have to wait a second for it to come up. I try to set up each folder so that they look exactly like, so it's easy to navigate, and you won't open a folder and say, what does this thing look like for this week? Give it a second here. So come on, computer. There we go. So you'll see in every folder there'll be a schedule of assignments, so everything that you need to do for that week, along with a folder for readings, things to read, things to watch, and then assignments that you actually need to complete. All of those things will be in each folder. That I won't open it up because it's just going to take so long, but it will be the same for this week, for August 3rd, August 30th through September 3rd, and September 6th through September 10th. They'll all look exactly the same, except they'll have, of course, a different schedule in there for each week. So you just want to make sure to go through all that. If you look at the schedule of assignments, so for last week, what was supposed to be done, you were supposed to review the syllabus, complete the syllabus quiz, watch the email etiquette video, and complete the email assignment. So I haven't necessarily gotten as many of those as I would like. There are many of you who have not completed the email assignment. Many of you did. I mean, I did uh, um, send those back to you. So many of you have done that, and I've completed those that I've gotten. But I do want to make sure you finish those and complete the syllabus quiz. So again, I just get a little concerned. I don't want too many people being too far behind. Again, you know it's not a problem. This is not affecting your grade, but if you get too far behind, it potentially becomes a problem. So please try to get that taken care of as soon as possible. And then your optional assignment is to post to the Ask Me Anything discussion board. If you have any questions about that, any questions about anything, the schedule for this week, sorry, that's still last week. The schedule for this week, you need to be done by the end of the week. You need to read the flowers, complete the intro to fiction assignment, complete the flowers paragraph, and post to the symbolism discussion board. So a few of you have already done that. It's still early in the week, so it's not necessarily a problem. But I really would like you to begin to start working on and get some of that done. Definitely at least get the assignments from last week done. Start working on that, and then get prepared for class for Thursday. You'll need to read the Intro to Fiction and Intro to Symbolism. You'll need to read those documents by the time we have class on Thursday. So that should get us caught up. Try and get as caught up as possible by the end of this week. And as always, let me know if you have any questions.